that the pharmaceuticals and chemical companies are trying to alter your chemical balance. What a shame. Help fight cold and flu by supporting your immune system. What a time to advertise, huh? All the other advertising space is empty. Have a look at this. Because there's nothing there. Keep your mind straight. Ultra vitamin D, 1000 IU, optimum level. UK's #1 vitamin. Wow. For the immune system. Trust me, folks. If you're not chemically charged, because you're the most powerful chemical factory on earth as a human mechanism, you ought to be responsible of your own immune rather than putting all these chemicals in your system. It's all about the stomach, your second brain. Love your tummy, huh? Suddenly, things like this has risen to the top. Health companies, vitamin companies, chemical companies, introducing you a little heart in your stomach. What happened all these years? You've been putting all kinds of things in your stomach and you're expecting some kind of a balance. Well, it's not going to happen. Hair crush. Vitamin for your hair. Huh? Vegan. You can't fix life from the outside chemical reactions. You need to fix it by balancing your inner. Ferroglobin. Feeling tired? Of course, when you look at this, folks, something like this, looking at it, it's feeling tired. Never mind feeling tired. I'm tired of this mind mesmerizing stuff. Empty space.